Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to insert a stock chart. The stock chart is to monitor all of your favorite stocks. And how you would do that is first you highlight the content. Then you go over to insert where you have just inserted your radar chart. It is the same icon. So let me go back to over there, charts. Then you see this drop down arrow and you can read by the description, insert waterfall, funnel, stock, surface, or radar charts. Click on that drop down arrow. Then you go over to stocks. Then you click on the first one that is available. The top one will show the highest one of the stocks. The lower one will show the lowest one of your stocks, and the horizontal one will show the closing one. Also, since the closing one is really hard to see, then the one that I advise you is to choose the style 4 one. And if you want to add a trend line to it, then all you need to do is that's a chart element. All you need to do is click on the plus sign that will activate your chart elements. Go on to the trend line. From there it will ask you add a trend line based on a series. So what we wanted was number 6, the stock chart close. And as you can see, which one is the highest one, which one is the lowest one, and it's a better view. And if for your own reference notes, if you want to reference this later on, what each chart looks like, I highly advise you to move your chart. And how you would do that is first go over to the location on your ribbon, click move chart, select new sheet, and from there just label it as stock chart. Click the enter one, and now it's on a brand new sheet. And I'm just going to move this back to the rest of the series. If you want to check out how to do the rest of all of these charts, go back to my previous videos and you'll see. Hope this helps, and have a great rest of your day. Bye for now.